Look, the little birdie came in our garage. Little hummingbird or something.
Close the garage.
No, we don't want to keep him. Oh, little birdie. Look, where'd he go?
Right there.
Where? Oh, yeah. Oh, there he went again.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's stuck.
Hey. Hey. Wow.
Wow. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Every time I try to record him, I guess he's camera shy, huh? Is he camera shy?
Yeah. Hey, where is he? Oh. There.
You see him?
Yeah.
Where'd he went? There he is.
Yeah. Oh, there he is again.
There he is again. He went away. Oh, he came back. I think he don't know how to get out. He's just a little baby. Aw, he's stuck. Aw. Why tell him shh? He's not making noise. Where'd he go? He went in there. I see him too. I think he loves you. You found him?
Yeah. Here's in there.
What's his name?
A hummingbird.
A hummingbird?
Yeah.
You're so smart. How old are you?
3.
How many? Show me on your hand. No. Yep. How do you say I love you? Nope. Not that finger. Do you remember? No. Put that one down. Remember? There you go. Say I love you.
I love you.
How do you say I love you in Italian?
Huh?
Remember how Grandma told you?
Yeah.
How do you say it?
Italiano.
You're so smart. Say it again.
Italiano.
What does that mean?
Grandma say it.
I know. What does it mean? I love you. Ti amo. I love you. What's your name?
Brayden.
Brayden who?
Brayden.
What's your last name?
Just Brayden.
No. Come on.
Brayden finished button.
Good job. Oh, look. There he is. He came down to see you. Did you see him?
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, he came down for a second.
Oh, he's stuck.
He's stuck.
Oh, he's not stuck.
Brayden, hang loose. Say, cool dude. Say, rock on.
Rock on. What did you do? What hummingbird?
Brayden, I love you little. I love you big. I love you like a little pig. Don't kick. Ow. I love you like a little pig. Look at that handsome face. Let me see those eyes. Whoa. Let me see. Look at me. Stay still. Stay still. Wait, stop for a second. Let me look at your eyes. Cheesy head. You're your cheesy head.
I see him.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him again. Ah. What did he do?
Where'd Bradley go? Bradley!
He got two.
Don't put that in your mouth. Jockeys. Bradley. Tata.
This is that ghost?
I saw a ghost.
Yeah.
Where's the bird? Oh, there he went.
Oh. Oh, I get him away.
Brayden, remember apple milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you say when I said apple milk?
Apple milk.
No. You don't remember, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is... Oh, there was a hummingbird.
Brayden. Brayden. Hey. Say bye-bye, birdie.
Bye-bye, birdie. Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
What's his name?
4.
Floor?
Yeah.
Yeah? I love you.
I love you.
Ti amo.
Amo.
No. Put that down.